First year computer long question important guest paper. Unit 1 most important long question. Define painting device. 25 long question. List down all pointing device and discuss any four. What is impact printer? Explain its types. What is software? Describe different types of software. अगर आपने शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन गेस्ट पेपर देखने हैं तो पहले से ही अपलोड कर दिए गए हैं. 4. What are source data entry devices? Explain any 3 mark and character recognition devices. Unit 2. Explain component of network, NIC, router, bridge and gateway. Write a detailed note on network model. Explain. Define bus topology. Explain its working with diagram. Also discuss its advantages and disadvantages. Define star topology. Explain its working with diagram. Also discuss its advantages and disadvantages. What is network protocol? Discuss different LAN protocol. What is OSI model? Discuss any 4 layers. Define ring topology. Explain its working with diagram. Also discuss its advantages and disadvantages. Unit 3. Explain 4 different types of data in computer. Briefly describe different guide media. Define data communication. Explain basic component of data communication. What is data transmission mode? Explain its types with example. Write a note on synchronous and asynchronous transmission. What is meant by encoding of data? Explain different coding schemes to represent data. Discuss different types of language. Translator. Unit 5. What is computer bus? Explain in detail. Different types of buses used in computer. What is ROM? Explain different types of ROM. Write a detailed note on computer or component of computer system. What is operating system? Explain its functions. Unit 6. What is data security? Explain 6 ways in which the security of data is violated. Write a detailed note on types of viruses. Explain different causes of viruses. 25. Describe security threats to data security. Give solution to these threats. If you like this video, then subscribe the channel and like our video. Good luck for paper.